Shoppers are rushing for the exits as we speak. Shoppers are all rushing for the exits as we speak. It's the end of the world. Hurry up, it's the end of the world. Thank you very much.
Are you taking a picture?
Oh, I'm videoing.
Sir, I have to ask you to stop immediately.
All right, turn it
You're
off.
not allowed to film or videograph in here at all without permission.
Don't worry, it won't show up on YouTube.
If you
I will look forward to it.
What?
I've been threatened.
Please remember to check your receipt. Thank you for shopping at Stop&Shop.
Got everything? Smile!
What's up, baby?
I'm trying to get everybody running for their lives. Save the fruit! Save the fruit! Save the fruit! Oh, the poor apples. Here they are.